Hello everyone. Today's video is for 5 questions regarding the work permit extensions. Welcome back our YouTube channel where you can find many more informative videos and updates regarding the immigrations. Hello, my name is Suhanisha and I am associated with the Winny Immigration as an immigration advisor. Today I will be explaining you insights on work permit extensions. Now, before we proceed further, I would request to you all subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to access many more informative videos. Work permit is a very specific document that allows to a national to work temporarily in Canada. There are different types of work permit, which each of them may have a different validity period, which eventually expires. When your work permit expires, you are expected to leave Canada and no longer will have the authorization to live and work in Canada. However, you have some options, but keep in mind, the most of them must be addressed before your work permit expires. So now, I am gonna answer your 5 questions regarding the work permit extensions. Question number 1. How can I extend my stay as a worker? If you want to extend your stay in Canada, you must apply at least 10 days before your status expires. But depending on your situation, you may choose the different application forms. For example, if you have a new job offer in Canada, you will be applied for the new work permit, and your employer also be required to apply your labor market opinion prior to your applications. Keep in mind, there are few things considered when you are extending your stay as a worker. If your permit expired, if your permit expired after the submitted the main applications for extension, but before you receive the final decision on that applications, you are allowed to remain in Canada under what is called the maintained status. If you are applied for the different kind of work permit and your original work permit expired, you are no longer to authorized to do activities of authorized by the work permit. Let's say for the example, you are in Canada under the invalid work permit, then you applied for the study permit. Once your work permit expired, you are no longer to authorized to work in Canada until you receive your new permit, which would be the study permit. They may authorize you choose study and work in Canada. Question number 2. Can I apply to extend a work permit from inside Canada? Yes, you can extend your work permit from inside Canada. But provided your original work permit is still valid, keep in mind to apply for an extension to your employer may need a newly labor market opinion. And you and your employer may need to sign an employment agreement, also an application for the extension must be through the IRCC before your current work permit expires. If you submit your application for the extension before your original work permit expires, you would be allowed to stay in Canada until the decision made. Question number 3. My work permit has expired. Can I apply for the another one? Yes, you can restore your temporary resident status as a worker. You can only do that if your work permit expired less in 90 days ago. Because you applied to restore your status after your original work permit expired, you are not authorized to work in Canada while your restoration application is in process. When you are applying for the restorations, you must be paid the restoration fees and also the fees regarding the new work permit. Question number 4. I have applied for the new work permit. Can I stay in Canada? Yes, you can stay in Canada and may be able to keep working under what is called maintained status. Maintained status less than the IRCC made final decision on your application for the extension. If you are applied for another work permit, you can stay in Canada and meet the condition of your original work permit. If you are applied for the work permit extension before your original work permit expired, you are allowed to stay in Canada and keep working under the same conditions of your original work permit until you receive the final decision on the application through extend your stay in Canada. Question number 5. Can I keep working if my work permit expired, and how do I prove to this my employer? Yes, if you are applied for your work permit extension Before original work permit expire, you will allowed to stay in Canada and keep working under the same condition of your original work permit until you receive the final decision on the application to extend your stay. IRCC not provided confirmation that you have maintained the status in Canada. However, you must keep proof that you submitted application before your original work permit expired. Such proof may be in the form of copy of submissions, confirmation letter provided by IRCC along with a copy of fees receipts. This should be a sufficient proof to your employer. Do you need any help with your work permit? Book an appointment now with our one of consultants. I hope this information was useful to you and you got insights on work permit extensions. If you have any query regarding the immigration process and if you are seeking rightful consideration, please reach out us by calling on our toll-free number 1800-419-3242 or you can write us on mail inquiry@winnyimmigration.com. Thank you.